Do you think tax is a new concept coming for the first time? You are hearing for the first time. Tax generated income for the government. Very correct, my dear student. Do you think tax is there for the first time in this country? No. Okay. Since when do you think the taxation came into existence? Tanvi, very right answer. Since 1,000 years. Okay, Radhesham. Very correct. Yes, 19th century. Very correct. और कुछ Vedic age, Radhesham. Vedic age. Yes, it was there. Very correct. Nandini. Britishers were there. Okay. What else? What else? Mughal times also. Yes. Okay. Zazia नाम था. Okay. Fine. Thank you, Radhesham. I want participation by all the student. Please, from centuries, Swapnil, Kinjal, Ria, 1860. Okay. Was existence. Tax has been Kar. Okay. Okay. To understand since when tax was there, you need to understand why there is a tax. Why there is a tax. Then you will realize. तो आपको पता चलेगा. आदम ईव के टाइम से. ओके यश. ठीक है. हमने तो आदम और ईव का सुना है, देखा नहीं है. ठीक है. पर्सनल इनकम इज अ पार्ट ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्स. ओके. नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन इज बिट डिफरेंट. व्हाई देयर इज अ नीड ऑफ टैक्स? व्हाई टैक्सेशन? क्यों देंगे और क्यों चाहिए? तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कब से टैक्स था, क्यों टैक्स था. क्यों आएगा तो पता चल जाएगा कब से था. एम आई राइट? So that is why I've asked the question, why tax? Kindly get me your answer so that government can provide people with good services. Slow, slow, slow. बाप रे बाप, इतने fast fast आने लगे. Okay. Jay Agrawal, Swapnil to generate income to the government. Radheshyam for own residential development. Okay. Then Tishna for tax. Money helps to ensure the infrastructure. Okay. Ria is sustained losses by the government. Okay. For welfare. Okay. Ria once again. Yash. Help to build the nation. Cost of running entire country, especially on the large population. Okay. Homogeneous. Okay. Fine. Fine. It helps to build the nation. Govern the economy. Ensure the road, railways. Tanvi, Anisha, Nandini, Heenal, Riddhi, Anisha, Aman. श्रुति आप प्राइवेटली भेजो बेटा, ऐसा मत करो. एवरीवन के लिए रखो इन मीटिंग, तो सब पढ़ पाएगा. एसेट, इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी, ensure the road, railways, Maitri. Okay, very correct. So आपको पता चल गया. For having civilized society, अगर सोशल स्ट्रक्चर है, अगर सोसाइटी में हमें रहना है, वहां के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को चलाना है, गवर्नमेंट नीड रेवेन्यू. अदरवाइज रोड कहाँ से बनेंगे, स्ट्रीट लाइट कहाँ से आएगी? आप, चलो आप आपका देखोगे, बट व्हाट अबाउट सोसाइटी एट लार्ज? अभी दिस पेंडेमिक, government has assisted lot of poor people. Through Manrega, they are giving now whosoever migrated to the rural areas through Manrega, they are paying to them. They want to take care of them because they are only the government for them. From where they'll get the money? Did you understand? So, basically, my dear student, the concept of tax, okay, came into existence since the civilization take place. Civilization, जहां से सोशल स्ट्रक्चर हुआ है. अगर आज भी आपको टैक्स नहीं भरना है ना, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, एकदम जंगल में चले जाओ, जहाँ टैक्स वाला नहीं आए, इनकम टैक्स वाला नहीं आए, जहाँ आप कुछ खाएंगे पिएंगे नहीं जिसमें आपको टैक्स भरना पड़े, जहाँ आप कुछ कमाएंगे नहीं जिसपे आपको टैक्स भरना पड़े, कोई टैक्स लेने वाला नहीं है. ओके. या फार माउंटेन जहाँ पे कोई टेरिटरी नहीं आता, या फार इनसाइड द सी, 200 nautical miles के बाद territory of that country is getting over. If you'll go there, there won't be a tax. कोई आपसे टैक्स नहीं मांगेगा. But can you survive there? Will your regular needs is going to meet? In this pandemic also, you just try to understand how the government has given you all type of, needs, essential goods. खाना पीना तो सबने खाया ना, भले ही पूरी इकोनॉमी बंद थी, प्रोडक्शन बंद था, लेकिन खाने के सारे सामान मिल रहे थे आपको, उसका प्रोडक्शन चालू था, गवर्नमेंट वो आपको प्रोवाइड कर रही थी. ओके. सो इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट फॉर एवरीथिंग. यस, यस. वैदिक, आप कोई भी ले लो, हड़प्पा ले लो, मोहनजोदाड़ो ले लो, सिविलाइजेशन जब से है तब से टैक्सेशन है, तब से टैक्सेशन है. कोई इसको इग्नोर नहीं कर सकता, और बगैर टैक्स के सिविल सोसाइटी पॉसिबल नहीं है. जब तक टैक्स नहीं भरोगे तब तक सिविलाइजेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है, सिविल सोसाइटी पॉसिबल नहीं है. ओके. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी शुड हैव टैक्स स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ यू मस्ट हैव रियलाइज कब से टैक्सेशन है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने जाना क्यों टैक्सेशन चाहिए. आप देखो मुंबई में वाई यू आर गेटिंग सो मेनी बेनिफिट. मुंबई में क्यों मिल जाता है आपको 24 आवर्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिल जाती है, मतलब जो भी एम्यूनिटीज चाहिए, दैट इज इन प्रायोरिटी. डू यू नो? बिकॉज वी मुंबईकर पेड हाईएस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ टैक्स टू द गवर्नमेंट. हाईएस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ टैक्स. as much as you'll pay the tax, that much benefit you'll get. Okay. Today the government could able to manage to pay off those people. Why? Because they had fund with them. अगर उनके पास पैसे ही नहीं रहते तो कैसे अदर पब्लिक को, जो पुअर पब्लिक थी, जो माइग्रेंट लेबरर थे, उनको कैसे हेल्प करते थे फॉर 2 to 3 months. So now you realize why tax is so very important. Yes or no? Tax is important or not? Very important. Not important. It's very, very important. And as much as you'll pay, that much benefit you'll get. As much as you'll pay, that much benefit you'll get. Why today also, even though, why everyone wants to be in Thakur College? Because all amenities you are getting in Thakur College. Please do not raise your hand, Ria, Samidha, and all. Ask the queries through chat box. I will answer. I'm reading all the chat. Don't worry. Okay. So it's very, very important that we should have taxation in place. We should have revenue to the government. Then only the government will pay for public expenditure. Then only the government will pay off their citizen appropriately. Then only the government will take care of their citizen at large. Okay, that's very important. So since civilization, tax is there. Do you have any alternative? How many of you are paying tax? How many of you are paying tax? कितने जन इनकम टैक्स भरते हैं? Go to such remote area. You need not have to pay the tax. Okay, but वहाँ पे survival is difficult. So if you want to survive, if you want to get the benefit of society, you have to pay the tax. There is no option. Okay. So all of us, we are paying tax. You have very rightly stated, but not income tax. You have paid or not direct tax. You are paying indirect taxes. Before your birth and after your death also, you need to pay tax. If suppose there is a ancestor's property in your name, प्रॉपर्टी उनके नाम पे आएगा, टैक्स आपके आपको भरना पड़ेगा. उनका नाम का टैक्स उनके जाने के बाद भी भरना पड़ता है. Am I right? Have you seen this kind of things or not? So taxation is there before death, before birth and after the death. There is no excuse. And you have to bear those liabilities. You have to pay the tax. And as much as you'll pay, that much benefit you'll get. For sure. That is for sure. That is why you'll find, the facility which is there in Mumbai. If you'll go to rural area, part of after Mumbai, facilities are less, infrastructure are less, right? The things which you'll getting in Churchgate, same kind of things you'll not get in Virar. And just check how much tax collection is there in Churchgate and how much tax collection is there in Virar. Are you realizing why I'm giving this comparison, why I'm giving this example? So the second, benefit of it, as much as we'll pay, that much we'll get benefit. That is why you'll find in foreign countries, the government gives everything free to their citizen. Why? Because they're collecting that much of tax. Everything is taxable. Everything is taxable. Okay. And nothing is free. For everything, they have to pay the tax. There is no alternative. Okay. The second thing what I would like to mention, that is what is there in our upcoming slides when we will study in days to come, that taxation is must, taxation is required, taxation is there since inception, taxation is required for a civil society. Not एंड आप लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीजें लिखी, बट एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आप मिस कर गए. व्हाट वाज दैट? व्हाट वाज दैट? मैंने वो आंसर नहीं देखा. यू नो डिफेंस, administrative, police, government hospital. Yes, all. Army, Air Force, Naval, Navy, everywhere government is your now disaster management force. So many things they are keeping for you, for the social people, and they are assisting as and when we required. You know, your neighbors are liking India, I mean, yes, military, everyone. पाकिस्तान कितना प्यार करता है इंडिया को, करता है ना. So India has to spend on defense. China also is liking us very much. So not only the civilization, even to protect the country, even to give them the medical care, even to give them the education, government need funds, and they are collecting from us and they are spending on us. They are collecting from us and they are spending on us. Okay. I think CR is there in the class. I will request her to take the screenshot of the attendance now. Last 7 minutes left for the session. And after the session, kindly share me those screenshot for the attendance record. Thank you, Shikha. Please do that, beta. Okay. So this was an in India, like where there is a heterogeneity in population. We have very high income, top income, moderate income, below poverty, above poverty. If this kind of population is there, you cannot have the tax structure or tax system what foreign country has. So that is why in India we have the tax structure and tax system whereby there is mixed tax structure, which is known as direct and indirect tax. Direct and indirect tax. Because country like India, which is not socialist as China, which is not capitalist as USA, where we have mixed economy, we have to have the mixed tax structure. And that is why in India, we have direct and indirect tax. Or just now, what I have stated, we are going to learn in the semester Income Tax Act 1961 and Income Tax Rule 1962. And this all, as this is the new subject for you, like cost accounting is not new for you, financial accounting is not new for you. Last year you have cost accounting and FM as a subject for bridge course. This year you have taxation and IT as a bridge course. I have sent you the material. Kindly request the faculties that they should first make the clear concept of it, and then subsequently you can start the chapters which is there in the syllabus. That will be making, that will bridge the gap because you do not have knowledge of taxation. That is why we spend, and I think material is there with you. I've already circulated in the group. Kindly go through those bridge courses material, which is very important. And I hope you must be having syllabus with you. Do you have syllabus or not? I have said long back. Only one answer I got. You don't have syllabus? Hinel also got me the answer. Okay. So kindly keep the syllabus because that's very, very important. And accordingly, we will go through the syllabus and we will learn everything as per the syllabus. Because being the student of SYBAF, uh, we will be following Mumbai University syllabus. because last year also we followed the Mumbai University syllabus. Okay, and don't share your syllabus to this year FY student. Why? Because their syllabus will be different. Thank you everyone. Second thing, did you like today's online session where we both were learning? It was really very interactive. I hope more than 50-60% student has already given me the answer through their chat box. I have never allowed them to sit idle. So I have kept them on toes, and thank you everyone. Yes, it's very important. Uh, and learning this thank you, and you should thanks to the principal and higher authorities, because in entire Mumbai, our college, of course it is the best college, we are the one who started this online learning. You go and ask, your friend must be there in different colleges, they have not started their learning, but we started. Why? Because we are taking care of students. That is why I've given, I have correlating everything with the taxation, right? As much as you pay, that much benefit you'll get. So every teacher has gone undergone with FDPs. They learn, and now they are. Yes, this is more interactive and more technical also, techno savvy also. You are enjoying with your mobile learning. Many of you must be there on mobile. Many of you must be there on laptop. And I'll take one more thing, which I am going to ask you in the. I'm going to ask this question from you all. What is the role of commerce student and entrepreneur during faculty, student and entrepreneur during this pandemic? I'm going to ask. So be prepared. आपको पता है मैं थोड़ा teach करूंगा, थोड़ा social बात करूंगा. So you have seen our role, right? I have created website for you जहाँ पे सारी books है. I have made a YouTube channel जिसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. You go and see there. When आपके लेटेस्ट टेक्स्ट बुक्स, एवरी टेक्स्ट बुक्स इज देयर. आपको थर्ड सेमेस्टर में कोई चीज देखने की जरूरत नहीं, सब ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल है. Yes, you are saving lot of time. No, I have told you in Mumbai, most of last year Times of India survey stated that Mumbaikar is wasting more than 68% time in traveling. So that much saving, that energy is there. Very correct. Online is much better. You go and talk to the higher authorities. We don't mind. I'm comfortable with both the way. I'm finding all my students with their name. I can. अभी तो और अच्छा लगता है कि मैं उनके नाम से मैं उनको जान रहा हूँ. I'm feeling very happy. Okay. Last few seconds are left. One thing is very important, that be at home. Be safe. Uh, Always follow the orders and instruction given by the government, because you are civilized, you are literate mass, and ask others also to do so. आप जहाँ पे जाते हैं, जो भी करते हैं, that's very very important. Being the learned mass,